Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your graphics driver on Windows 11. So let's get started. So you have to search it in the search bar or search device manager. As you can see in the top here, device manager control panel. Open this, maximize it. Now in the left panel you can see the list of all the drivers. So search for display adapters. As you can see here, double click on it and you can see the Iris Xe graphics. It's Intel off. Then right click on it and go to update driver option. Now you can see here the two options here, search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So you have to click on the first one, search automatic for drivers. Now it will start searching for any latest update. As you can see, I have already updated on my Windows 11, so you can search in your Windows whether it is updated or not, as you and download here. Now I will show you the other option where you can download the graphic drivers. So again, go to the search bar. This time you have to search settings. Now you can see this settings option, click on it, open settings. Now in the left panel you can see the options. Now go to Windows Update, click on it and now click on check for updates. Now it will start checking for all the latest drivers on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It will take a few seconds and it will show as well as the graphic drivers as well as other drivers too, which you need to update on your Windows 11. Now we are waiting. Okay, now you can see my Windows 11 is up to date. You can check in your PC whether you update or not, or you can directly update your graphics driver. And that's it guys. Now you know how to update your graphics driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.